What? No, today we'll see square root of imperfect value. Okay. In the last classes, we have seen square root of perfect value, cube root of perfect value, cube of perfect value, square of perfect value. So today, what we'll do? No, we'll see the square root of imperfect value or a non-perfect value. In square root of non-perfect means, for example, we देखो, this is a 12. 12 is a non-perfect value क्योंकि वो this is not go with a completely. Then we have to apply the formula. For example, square root of 50. So 50 is not a perfect square. 50 is not a perfect square. If you do this, square root will come in the some value and in the point. Okay. And again, if you find like 150, so 150 is also not a perfect square. So this type of value will be called as non-perfect value. So what we'll do, no, we'll find out square root of such value, but whatever we find a value, that value will be in the approximate answer. Okay, that value will be in the approximate answer, in the sense, even though if you suppose 150 का answer like अगर say some 4.5678 like that will come in the calci also. And if you do so, if your answer comes in the decimal value with so many digits, then this answer will be called not an exact answer. This is called as a approximate answer. So on that also, we see like whenever you are finding the square root of imperfect value or a non-perfect value, you won't get a perfect answer. So आपका आंसर क्या होगा? With a decimal value आएगा. With decimal means that answer will be called as the approximate value. So what we'll do now, we'll see the how to find those approximate answer if they give any non-perfect values. For example, I'll take a square root of 87. Okay, for example, square root of 87. So how to find the square root of this 87? Because this 87 is what? It's a non-perfect value. So for that, आपको क्या करना है? Again, you should know the table. So 87 is near to what value? 87 किसके value के nearest है? The square value of 81. So 87 is near to a 81. Okay, 87 is what? Near to a 81. And 81 is what? 81 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 9 है. ओके, 81 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या आएगा? 9 आएगा. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अभी देखो 81 किसके नियरेस्ट है? 81 के साथ. मींस you have to think that your answer also will come in the 9 plus some value, because 87 is near to 81. So for that reason, what I'll do, I'll take this 9. Okay, I'll take this 9, and whatever answer comes, उसका क्या होगा? 9 से थोड़ा वैल्यू बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि 81 is near to 81 is smaller than 87 means 81 से थोड़ा वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा इसका स्क्वायर रूट. तो इसके लिए हमको क्या करना है? 9 को लेना है फर्स्ट, बिकॉज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 81 is 9. Then what you have to do, just multiply here, then take this value 87, then take this value minus 81. Okay, 87 minus 81. Then what you have to do, divided by, take a 2 as a constant value, into what is the square root of 81? Take that 9 value. Okay, now what will get here? 9 into 87 minus 81 will be a 6. Okay, and divided by 2 into 9. And if you multiply if you do the simplification of this, 2 ones are and 2 threes are. Okay, 2 ones are and 3s are. Okay, and here what you will get? Again 3 ones are, 3 threes are. आपको क्या मिलेगा अभी? 9 plus 1 by 3 आएगा. 9 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is what? 1 by 3 will be what is the value of 1 by 3? That is 0.33. Okay, 1 by 3 का वैल्यू क्या है? 0.33. So अगर, and I told the condition, अगर आपका वैल्यू, देयर इज अ टू कंडीशंस, इफ दिस वैल्यू इज 0.3, देन इसमें आपको क्या करना है, देन सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.0 subtract 0.01 in that. अगर आपका वैल्यू ऐसे वैल्यू इफ इट इज अ 0.5 आया तो देन सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.02 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। तो इधर आपको हमको क्या मिला है, 0.33 मिला है। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.01 दिस। सो हियर हमको मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 0.32। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल टेक इट एज 9 प्लस 0.32। तो मेरा आंसर क्या आएगा, 9.32 is the approximate answer. This is the square root of root 87. This is the square root of root 87. Okay, so consider this example. Square root of 12. Okay, square root of 12. What is the answer for square root of 12? So here 12 is near to what square value? Okay, 12 is near to what square value? So 12 किसके nearest है? That is nearest to a square value of 9. 12 is near to a square value of 9. So what is the square root of 9? 9 का square क्या आता है, 3 आता है. Okay, 3 will be a square root of 9. Okay, now what you have to do, consider the 3 plus, take a subtract 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 divided by 2 into 3. Okay, divided by 2 into 3. So what you will get, 3 plus 12 minus 9 will be what, 3. Okay, 12 minus 9 will be a 3. Then 2 into 3 is what, 6. So we'll get answer here 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is what, again आपको क्या आएगा, 1 by 2 means 0.5 आएगा. Okay, 0.5 आए तो हमको कंडीशन क्या है, उसमें 0.02 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, तो क्या आएगा इधर 8 and 4. So you'll get a 0.48. So आपका आंसर क्या करना है, इधर ऐड करना है 0.48. So your answer will be a 3.48 is the square root of 12. Square root of 12. So it's a simple. Just find the nearest square value, उसका square root निकालो, add करो and square value with a given value. Subtract करो, divided by 2 into 3. 3 is what? That square root value only. Okay, then do the simplification. Okay, this is the square root of 2-digit imperfect value. Okay, 2-digit imperfect value. So we'll take one more example. Okay, और एक example लेंगे, which will take a square root of we'll take a square root of 50. Okay, 50. We'll take a square root of 50. So now 50 is near to what value? 50 is near to a 49. Okay, 50 is near to a 49. So 49 square root will be what? 49 square root will be a 7. So I'll take here 7 plus 50 minus 49 divided by 2 is a fix, and take this 7 here. Okay, so here 7 plus 50 minus 49 is 1. 1 by 14. Okay, 1 by 14 आएगा. So 14 का वैल्यू क्या आएगा, 1 by 14. So just find out 14 का वैल्यू क्या आता है. Okay, so 14 answer. So what will be your answer? 7.07. Now answer for this will be 9.11. Okay, 9.1 or 9.11 you will get. Yes, we have to solve the imperfect value of 2 digits square. Okay, imperfect square square root. Now what we'll do, we'll see a 3-digit ka. Okay, now we'll see square root of non-perfect value, that is a 3-digit value. I'll consider 3-digit 120. Okay, so here same method applies for 120 also. We'll do the same method. How? So just take 120 is near to a what value? So 120 is, sorry, 120, 21. Yes. Now it is near to 121. So what you have to do? 121 is bigger than 120. In this case, what happens? 121 is bigger than 120. In previous case, for example, here we have seen 1. Here what? No. 81 is smaller than 87. For that case, whatever value comes, that was, for this it was a name. So whatever value comes, that was added, because 81 is smaller than 87. But in this case, what? No, 121 is bigger. So if 121 is bigger, means what you have to do? Is, square root of 121 will be a L1. So L1 you have to do minus in that. Okay, you have to do a minus 121 minus 120 divided by 2 into 11 you have to do. So 11 minus here 121 minus 120 is a 1. So here this is a 22. Okay, here it is a, so here you will get an answer as, what you have to do, 1 by 12 is a 0.04 aega. So do the subtract, 11 minus 0.04 will get a 10.96. okay, check this, 114. okay, you people try and tell 114, 114, square root of 114. So here this is simple. So 114 is near to 100 and square root of 100 is 10. Okay, I'll take 10 plus 114 minus 100 divided by 2 into 100. Sorry, 2 into 10. So 10 plus 14 by 2 into 10. So what I'll do? 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So what I got here? 7 by 10. So here 10 plus, what is the 7 by 10? 0.7. So my answer will be a 10.7. Okay, answer will be a 10.7. Now we'll go to the 4 digit. The square value of 4 digit number. So I'll start with a simple one, 1200. So 1200 is what now? 4 digit. Okay, so 1200 ka nearest value. So 1200 is near to what value now? 1200 is near to a 1200 is near to a 225. So 1225. So what is a 1225? 1225 is square root of 1225 is square root of 35. Okay, 1225 is square root of 35. Okay, so what I'll do here? I'll take a 35, and here it's a bigger value. Okay, 1225 is kya hai? It's a bigger value. So I'll take minus 1225 minus 1200 divided by 2 into 35. So आपका क्या हुआ 35. So here if you subtract, you'll get a 25 by 2 into 35. Okay. So here 25 by 2 into 35. So what we'll get here? Answer will be a 35 minus 25 by 70. 25 by 70. If you do again this, you will get an answer by 5 by 14. Okay, 5 by 14 आएगा. So आपका 5 by 14 का वैल्यू कितना आता है? 5 by 14 means it is will be in the. So here, what we were doing, 35 minus 25 by 2 into 35. So if I do the simplification of this, so 5 by 14 is 0.35. So to get exact answer, I'll just subtract 0.01. So 34. So here I got a 35 minus 0.34. So it is a 34.66. So my final answer will be 34.66. So this is a method to find a non-perfect value of 4 digit. Non-perfect value for 4 digit. Now what we'll do? I'll give one more example. 4 digit. You people try.
Sir, sir,
take this as an example. 1800. Just give me the value of 1800 with the same way. Just consider nearest value. I know this is a far nearest, but because of this zero thing, you have to consider 1600 क्योंकि आपको simplification के लिए help होगा. Okay, and if you so here take a 1600 is the nearest value. So what is the square root of 1600? It's a 40. Okay, 1600 nearest value is 40. So what I'll do here, I'll take a 40 and here is a plus 1800 minus 1600 divided by 2 into 40. Okay, so here 40 plus it's a 200. Okay, it's a 200 divided by 2 into 40. 2 into 40. So if you do this, 2 ones are 200. Okay, क्या आएगा आपको as the finally 10 by 4 आएगा. 10 by 4 means 2 by 5 by 2. So here you will get 40 plus कितना आएगा 2.5 आएगा. 2.5 means आपका final answer 42.5. So this is your square root of 1800. Okay, how to do the square root of imperfect 5 digit? So here I'll take a 5 digit that is an imperfect square. Okay, so 36522. This is the imperfect square value. Okay, क्या है imperfect square value और कितना है? It's a 5 digit. So how to do this? Okay, so what you have to do here, it is a 5 digit, and if I do go to the searching a nearest value, it gives me a more value. Okay, so simplification goes a little lengthier. So what I'll do, I'll write this question like this: 365.22 into 100. Okay, so I'll write the given question in this form: 365.22 into 100. So this is same as the above question, because अगर आप 100 से multiply किया तो you'll get a same value 0.22. It will shift, so you'll get a same 5 digit value. So हम क्या करेंगे, इसको ऐसे change करेंगे. So what is the square value of 100? That is a 10. So I'll write like this again: 365.22 into 10. Okay, into 10. Okay, now what you do, you just keep that 10 as it is. We'll take at the end step, do the simplification of this step. Now do the simplification of this step. What you have to do, the step begins as, just find out 365 is near to what value. 365.22 किसके वैल्यू के नियरेस्ट है? अभी देखो 0.22, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, जस्ट सी द 365. 365 कौन से स्क्वायर के वैल्यू के नियर है? सो दैट इज नियर टू 19 का स्क्वायर वैल्यू क्या आता है? 361 आएगा. सो 361 इधर कितना दिया है? 365 दिया है. सो इट इज नियर टू 361. एंड व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 361? इट्स 19. So here what I'll do, I'll take a 19 as a reference, and it is a smaller than this. Okay, I'll take just plus value. Plus, so what is the given question? That is 365.22 minus 361. Okay, divided by 2 into 19. And if you do the subtract, 365.22 and 361.00, you'll get a 4.22. कितना मिलेगा आपको? 4.22 आएगा. 19 plus 4.22 by 2 into 19. 2 into 19. अगर आप 2 से इसको कट किया तो कितना आएगा? 2.11 आएगा. 2.11. ओके, सो आपको कितना वैल्यू मिला अभी? I'll just do here 19 plus 2.11 by 19. Okay, 2.11 by 19. And if you do the division of 2.11 by 19, आपको कितना मिलेगा? 0.111 मिलता है. Okay, if you do that 2.11 by 19, आपको कितना मिलेगा? 0.111. So what you have to do here, add to this value 19 plus 0.111. So कितना आएगा? 19.11 आएगा. 19.11 आएगा. So इधर क्या हमको ऐड करना है? Into 10 करना है. So इसको मैं क्या करता हूँ? 19.11 को 10 ऐड करता हूँ. so मुझे कितना आता है 111.1. So this is your answer. So this is your answer. And this way, if you got a 5 digit का imperfect value, imperfect square का square root निकालना है, that is will be a 5 digit. ऐसे आप multiply कर लो with a 100. Okay, just multiply with a 100. So your simplification goes easy. Okay, so only thing here you have to check a division. It's a small one. You'll get easily. Then at the end, don't forget to multiply 10 because आपके ऑप्शन पे भी रहता है 19.11 भी रहता है 91.1 भी रहता है. So after coming up to here, and if you miss this step, there's a waste of time. Okay, don't forget to multiply 10. Suppose अगर आपको सेम क्वेश्चन 6 डिजिट का है अभी 365,222 है, then what you have to do the same like 365.22 into 1000 you people do. Instead of don't do 1000, do the 10,000. Okay, if you do the multiplication of 10,000, so again you will get in this same way, and 10,000 will get a 100, and at the end you multiply with a 100 when if you get a 6 digit non-perfect value. Okay, if they give a 6 digit imperfect value, okay, that is a 1 2 3 4 5 6, then what you people do, it's a 6 digit, so take this 3, okay, and 4 5 6 ले लो, 3 digit ले लो, into 10,000 से multiply करो. So क्या आएगा इधर, ये सेम आएगा 123.456 into आपको इधर 100 आएगा. Okay, and do the simple method how we did, then at the end multiply with a 100, and okay, this way you have to do the 6 digit imperfect value का square root. Now cube root value. Okay, cube root का value check करेंगे. What will be the cube root value of imperfect cubes or a non-perfect square? I'll just take an example. Root 70. Sorry, cube root of 70. So here is a cube root of 70. Same method. There we were checking nearest to the square value. Now what you do? Check nearest to the cube value. So if I take the first step, 70 is nearest to the 64. Okay, 70 क्या है, 64 के नियरेस्ट वैल्यू है. So 64 का क्यूब वैल्यू क्या है, क्यूब रूट वैल्यू 8 है. सॉरी, 64 का क्यूब रूट वैल्यू है 4. ओके, 64 का क्यूब रूट वैल्यू इज 4. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अप्लाई द सेम मेथड. क्या करना है इधर, टेक अ 4 प्लस हियर टेक अ डिफरेंस 70 minus 64, but here instead of 2, इधर 2 नहीं लेना है, instead of 2 take a 3. That's the difference. Instead of 2 you take a 3, and here multiply क्या करना है, 4 नहीं लेना है. So इधर 4 नहीं लेना है, 4 square लेना है, like 4 into 4, और नहीं तो a लेना है. ए भी सेम ही होता है. इसका वैल्यू क्या आएगा, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 64 इज 4 square is what, 16 only, or else directly write 4 into 4. So both are same, either this or this, both are same. So here cube root of 64 is 4 का square क्या है 16, or else directly write 2 times 4 into 4. Okay, now the same rule applies here also. So instead of 1 time आपको 2 टाइम लेना है, instead of 2 आपको क्या लेना है, 3 लेना है. So 3 into 4 into 4. Okay, 3 into 4 into 4. So here what is the difference, इधर क्या आएगा, 6 आएगा. Okay, you'll get a 6 as a difference, and 3 by 16. 3 by 16. Now what you will get, 1 by 2 and 1 by 18, 1 by 8. So what you will get here, 4 plus 1 by 8. 4 plus 1 by 8 is nothing but 4 plus 0.125. 0.125, and your answer will be a 4.125 is your answer. Okay, 4.125 is your answer. This is the cube root value of 70. Cube root value of 70. Okay, this is how we did for a 2-digit. Now what we'll do, I'll take an example for a 3-digit now. Okay, so I'll take an example, cube root of 120. Okay, cube root of 120. Now what we have to do, just find the nearest cube value. Okay, nearest cube value. 120 is nearest to the 125. Okay, is the nearest to the 125, and cube root of 125 is what? 5. Okay, cube root of 125 is 5. So here what you have to do, 125 अभी इस इधर क्या है, 120 से ज्यादा है, मीन्स इधर क्या लेना है, प्लस नहीं आता है, माइनस आता है, क्योंकि द गिवन क्वेश्चन इज स्मॉलर देन नियरेस्ट वैल्यू, क्योंकि नियरेस्ट वैल्यू का वैल्यू क्या है, ज्यादा है, गिवन क्वेश्चन का वैल्यू कम है, इसलिए टेक 5 माइनस 125 माइनस 120 डिवाइडेड बाय, इधर देखो क्या लेना है, 3 लेना है, into 5 into 5. 5 into 5. If you take this, 5 square is 25, so 5 into 5. Now what you have to do, 5 minus, this is a 5 divided by 3 into 25. Okay, now again 5 ones are 5 5s are, so here 5 minus 1 by 15, 1 by 15. So we will get 1 by 15, that is 5 minus 0.066 आएगा. So if you do subtract here, आपका आंसर आएगा 4.934. 4.934 is your answer. Okay, I hope you people got this thing. So the only difference 3, and here if it is a nearest value is bigger, do the subtract. Okay, so you people try now. I'll give one more example. Cube root of 350. You people try and tell cube root of 350. 7.047 आएगा. क्या है इधर? 350 is near to the 343. Okay, cube root of 343 is 7. Okay, so 7 plus 350 minus 343 divided by 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, 7 plus, here it is again 7 you will get. Okay, you will get a 7 divided by 3 into 49. So 7 ones are 7 sevens are, so you will get a 7 by 1 plus 21. Okay, 1 plus 21 is क्या है, 1 by 21 is 0.47 आएगा, so you will get an answer as 7.047 is your answer. 0.47 is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do the cube value of 3 digits. Okay, now what we'll do, last example of this concept, cube root value of 4-digit ka, 4-digit imperfect value. Okay, 4-digit imperfect value. So what is a imperfect cube? 1104. I'll take a 1104 as a imperfect or a non-perfect value. So here just see where it is near. 1104 is near to what value? So it is try to take a zeros values. So if I check here, 1104 is nearest to the 1000. Okay, 1000 is a 10 cube value. Okay, so here I got a value 10 plus 1104 minus 1000 divided by 3 into 100. All right, 10 into 10. Okay, so here 10 plus, if you subtract you will get a 0, 104. Okay, 104 you will get, and here that is a 3 into 100. Okay, 3 into 100. Now so check whether by 104 by 3 will go or not. 3 2s are 105 by 4, 3 1s are 3 3s are, and no, it won't go. So you have to check the value जस्ट 104/3 104/3 चेक करो एंड अगर आप ये पूरा सॉल्व किया तो आपको कितना मिलेगा 10 प्लस 346 आएगा 0.346 आएगा एंड आपका आंसर आएगा 10.346 10.346 आएगा ओके दिस इज द वैल्यू फॉर नॉन परफेक्ट क्यूब रूट 1104 1104 5 digit value just adjust take a multiply with 1000 if they ask a 5 digit same way just adjust with the multiply with 1000 if they ask a 6 digit how we did for a square like that you have to adjust for 5 digit and 6 digit usually they won't ask bigger value 5 and 6 max time they ask only up to a 4 digit just try this one example for last